Today, we're comparing olive oil and avocado oil head-to-head to determine which provides superior liver support. Not generic healthy fat claims, not cooking oil marketing. Specific advantages for fatty liver reduction, liver inflammation control, and hepatic cellular protection. The mechanisms that actually matter for liver health. Both claim to reduce fatty liver and protect against inflammation. But which oil actually delivers better liver protection? Right now, the score stands 0-0, but by the end of this video, you'll know the final score and the truth. This is the health verdict, where nature gets tested. Round 1. Fat composition and active compounds. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, contains 70-80% monounsaturated fat, primarily oleic acid, a fatty acid that reduces inflammation and supports cellular health. It provides polyphenols, including hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein, powerful antioxidants that protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Extra virgin olive oil contains vitamin E, vitamin K, and over 30 phenolic compounds that contribute to its health effects. The polyphenol content varies dramatically by quality. Extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil from early harvest contains significantly more than refined or lower-grade oils. 1 tablespoon delivers approximately 120 calories and 14 grams of fat. Avocado oil contains similar monounsaturated fat content, approximately 70%, also primarily oleic acid. It provides vitamin E, lutein for eye health, beta-sitosterol, which may lower cholesterol, and various carotenoids with antioxidant properties. Avocado oil contains fewer polyphenols than olive oil, but has a higher smoke point, making it more stable at high temperatures. It's naturally refined through pressing without chemicals, maintaining beneficial compounds while creating a neutral flavor. 1 tablespoon delivers approximately 125 calories and 14 grams of fat. Both oils deliver similar oleic acid content, the primary beneficial fat. Olive oil provides superior polyphenol content with documented liver protective compounds. Avocado oil offers more vitamin E and carotenoids, but fewer polyphenols. For liver-specific bioactive compounds, olive oil takes this round. The winner of this round is olive oil. Current score, olive oil 1, avocado oil 0. Round 2. Fatty liver disease prevention and treatment. Olive oil has extensive research demonstrating fatty liver benefits. Studies show that Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil reduces liver fat accumulation in people with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The polyphenols improve insulin sensitivity, reduce liver inflammation, and enhance fat metabolism. Research indicates that olive oil consumption reduces liver enzyme levels, ALT and AST, indicating decreased liver damage. The oleic acid specifically helps reduce triglyceride accumulation in liver cells. Multiple studies demonstrate that replacing other fats with olive oil improves liver fat content measured by imaging and reduces the progression from simple fatty liver to inflammatory steatohepatitis. Avocado oil shows promise but has less extensive research specifically for fatty liver. Studies on avocados, the whole fruit, show benefits for fatty liver, with improvements in liver enzymes and liver fat content. However, isolated avocado oil hasn't been studied as thoroughly. The high oleic acid content suggests similar mechanisms to olive oil: improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, better fat metabolism. Animal studies show that avocado oil reduces liver damage from toxins, but human clinical trials specifically testing avocado oil for fatty liver are limited. Olive oil's robust evidence base with multiple human studies demonstrating fatty liver improvements gives it a clear advantage over avocado oil's more limited research. The winner of this round is olive oil. Current score, olive oil 2, avocado oil 0. Round 3. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Olive oil's polyphenols provide powerful anti-inflammatory effects throughout the body, including the liver. Hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein reduce inflammatory cytokines, TNF-alpha, IL-6, that drive liver inflammation and disease progression. These compounds activate cellular pathways that reduce oxidative stress and protect liver cells from damage. Studies show that olive oil consumption reduces markers of systemic inflammation, which benefits the liver by decreasing the inflammatory burden it must process. The vitamin E acts as a fat-soluble antioxidant protecting cell membranes. Regular olive oil consumption is associated with reduced liver fibrosis risk, the scarring that follows chronic inflammation. Avocado oil provides antioxidant protection through vitamin E, carotenoids including lutein, and beta-sitosterol. These compounds reduce oxidative stress and protect against free radical damage. The high vitamin E content, more than olive oil, provides significant antioxidant capacity. Studies show that avocado oil protects liver cells from oxidative damage in laboratory and animal studies. The anti-inflammatory effects are real but less extensively documented than olive oil's polyphenol-driven effects. Avocado oil's neutral flavor and high smoke point mean it doesn't degrade during cooking, preserving its antioxidant properties better than olive oil at high heat. Olive oil's superior polyphenol content and more extensive anti-inflammatory research give it the edge, though avocado oil's higher vitamin E provides meaningful antioxidant protection. The winner of this round is olive oil. Current score: olive oil 3, avocado oil 0. Round 4. Cooking versatility and stability. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin, has a moderate smoke point, around 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for low to medium heat cooking, sautéing, and salad dressings. However, high heat cooking degrades the beneficial polyphenols and can create harmful compounds. Extra virgin olive oil is best used raw or at lower temperatures to preserve its health benefits. Refined olive oil has a higher smoke point but loses most polyphenols during processing. The strong flavor of extra virgin olive oil is delicious but doesn't work in all dishes. It can overpower delicate flavors. Avocado oil has a very high smoke point, around 500 to 520 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for high heat cooking, including frying, roasting, and grilling. It remains stable at high temperatures without breaking down or producing harmful compounds. The neutral flavor works in any dish without altering taste, making it more versatile for diverse cuisines. It doesn't degrade during cooking, maintaining its beneficial fats and vitamin E. This stability means avocado oil delivers consistent health benefits regardless of cooking method. Avocado oil's superior heat stability and cooking versatility make it more practical for everyday use. You can use it for everything from salad dressings to high-heat searing without worrying about degradation. The winner of this round is avocado oil. Current score: olive oil 3, avocado oil 1. Round 5. Cardiovascular health and metabolic effects. Olive oil is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, the most extensively studied dietary pattern for cardiovascular health. Research consistently shows that olive oil consumption reduces heart disease risk, improves cholesterol profiles by increasing HDL and reducing LDL, lowers blood pressure, and reduces arterial inflammation. These cardiovascular benefits directly impact liver health because metabolic syndrome, insulin resistance, and cardiovascular disease all contribute to fatty liver disease. Olive oil improves insulin sensitivity, helping regulate blood sugar and reduce the metabolic dysfunction that drives liver fat accumulation. The polyphenols support healthy gut bacteria, which influences liver health through the gut-liver axis. Avocado oil provides similar cardiovascular benefits through its monounsaturated fat content. Studies show that avocado oil improves cholesterol profiles, reduces inflammation, and supports healthy blood pressure. The beta-sitosterol specifically helps lower cholesterol absorption. Avocado oil improves insulin sensitivity and supports metabolic health. However, the research base is smaller than olive oil's decades of Mediterranean diet studies. The cardiovascular and metabolic effects are real and meaningful, but less extensively documented. Olive oil's position in the well-researched Mediterranean diet and extensive cardiovascular research give it the advantage for comprehensive metabolic health benefits that protect the liver. The winner of this round is olive oil. Current score: olive oil 4, avocado oil 1. Round 6. Cost and accessibility. Olive oil varies dramatically in quality and price. Extra virgin olive oil from reputable producers costs $15 to $30 per liter, necessary for maximum liver protective polyphenols. Lower grade olive oils cost $5 to $10 but lack most beneficial compounds. Olive oil is widely available in all grocery stores, though quality varies. The market is flooded with fraudulent olive oil. Studies show that many products labeled extra virgin are actually blends or refined oils. Finding authentic, high-quality extra virgin olive oil requires research and often higher costs. Avocado oil typically costs slightly more than quality olive oil, $18 to $35 per liter. However, because it doesn't degrade with heat, you can use it for all cooking purposes, potentially reducing the need for multiple oils. Avocado oil quality is generally more consistent, less fraud in the market, and clearer labeling standards. It's widely available in most grocery stores and online. The neutral flavor means you're more likely to use it consistently rather than saving it for special occasions. The cost difference is minimal between quality versions of both oils. Olive oil's broader availability at various price points gives it a slight accessibility advantage, though this often means compromising quality. The winner of this round is olive oil. Current score: olive oil 5, avocado oil 1. Round 7. Taste and dietary adherence. Olive oil has a distinctive, robust flavor. Fruity, peppery, sometimes bitter depending on variety and freshness. This flavor is delicious in Mediterranean dishes, salads, and as a finishing oil. However, the strong taste doesn't work in all cuisines. It can overpower delicate fish, clash with Asian flavors, and dominate baked goods. Some people love olive oil's flavor. Others find it too strong for daily use. The taste may limit how consistently people use it, and consistency matters enormously for liver health benefits. Avocado oil has a mild, neutral flavor that works in any dish without altering taste. You can use it for stir-fries, baking, salad dressings, high-heat cooking, and any cuisine without the food tasting like the oil. This neutrality means you're more likely to use it consistently for all cooking purposes. The lack of strong flavor may seem like a disadvantage, but for daily liver health maintenance, the oil you actually use every day provides more benefit than the oil you save for special occasions. Avocado oil's neutral flavor and universal compatibility make it more likely to become a consistent daily habit. Consistency trumps potency if you won't actually consume the more potent option regularly. The winner of this round is avocado oil. Current score: olive oil 5, avocado oil 2. Final verdict. The final score is 5-2. Olive oil wins for liver protection. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin from quality sources, provides superior liver protective benefits through its exceptional polyphenol content. The hydroxytyrosol, Old European, and other phenolic compounds deliver anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects specifically documented in liver health research. The extensive evidence base from Mediterranean diet studies demonstrates real-world fatty liver improvements, reduced liver enzymes, and protection against liver disease progression. Avocado oil isn't ineffective. It provides meaningful benefits through oleic acid, vitamin E, and heat stability that preserves its healthy properties during cooking. Its versatility and neutral flavor make it more practical for consistent daily use across all cooking methods. Here's the optimal strategy. Use both oils strategically based on purpose. Use extra virgin olive oil raw or at low heat, drizzled on salads, vegetables, finished dishes, and bread. This maximizes your intake of liver-protective polyphenols that degrade with heat. Use avocado oil for all cooking that involves medium to high heat, sautéing, roasting, grilling, baking. This provides healthy monounsaturated fats without degrading beneficial compounds. This combination gives you olive oil's superior polyphenol content for direct liver protection and avocado oil's heat-stable healthy fats for everyday cooking. Together, they provide comprehensive healthy fat intake that supports liver health from multiple angles. For people with fatty liver disease, focus on extra virgin olive oil as your primary fat source, using 2 to 3 tablespoons daily on salads and cooked vegetables. The Mediterranean diet pattern built around olive oil has the strongest evidence for improving fatty liver outcomes. Neither oil reverses severe liver disease alone, but within a comprehensive approach, healthy diet, weight management, exercise, alcohol avoidance, olive oil provides the most extensively documented liver protection. Avocado oil complements this by making it easier to eliminate unhealthy fats from your cooking without sacrificing flavor or convenience. This is the health verdict, where nature gets tested. Stay curious, stay healthy.